Hey there, welcome back. It is time to do April Empties, which is going to be my shortest video, shortest empties and lowest total of it all. But let's get into it. So in April, I did poorly. This is my lowest amount in totals for monetary value and totals overall in products. I don't know what happened, but I mean, well, I did know because I took 2 weeks off. Just didn't feel like doing makeup during those 2 weeks. And that prolonged some of the usage goals on some of these products for finishing. Now, I am filming this just a little bit early. It is April 28th. I still do have a couple more days, but I don't anticipate finishing anything yet just because 2 of the products that I thought I was going to finish, I still have some usage on them until they are done. So thankfully those might be in May, but I would like to start off with the first product that I used up, and in this case I technically didn't use it up, but it's basically windowing and basically almost empty. And I was going through my lipsticks a couple weeks ago, towards the beginning of this month, April, and I decluttered some of them, which I talked about and showed y'all in March's Empties, which I will link it down below. My NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick, yeah, very old because I don't even know that they make this anymore. I think they updated and changed formula and everything, but this was the shade called Push Up. This is a very much like nudie, but on the deeper sort of tone to it. This one was okay. It's very much drying. It is a very, not a color that I really enjoy wearing anymore. The matte lipsticks, I tend to still enjoy to a certain degree and extent, but these I think are the worst in terms of formula. It was just as drying as when Milani used to have liquid lipsticks back in the day, to dry patches. It looks terrible, and at times can give you that sort of butthole lip looking effect. Should I say effect? View? I don't know. It's disgusting. It is not attractive to look at. It's not attractive and does not feel comfortable enough to wear. So I'm just glad to have this out of my collection. It did get used up quite a lot, just because, not just in this windowing that you can tell, but just in my general, back in the day whenever I would be obsessed with these, like I was literally, I know obsessed is a hard word, like I used to be very much into this line of lipsticks, and so I would wear them religiously. The next empty is not really beauty related, but I relate it to beauty just because it is something that I use every single day. I use my makeup. I use this to clean my products. I use this to clean my area. I use this to clean basically my entire vanity day in and day out. But it is a bottle of 91% isopropyl alcohol. This is HEB version just because I live in Texas. Our grocery store, or at least my grocery store that I go to all the time, that has makeup, food, not really clothing. It's kind of like a warmer but without the clothes. So it does have alcohol in like a pharmacy area. So that's where I grab it. This is a cheap bottle that got me through cleaning everything. You can call me OCD about it, that's totally fine, but I love using this. Sometimes I have it in a spray bottle right here next to me just because I like to spray, and this is dirty, excuse me, but I like to re-wet these little wet wipes, and that is what I use to clean my fingers, to clean the products. Like if a cap is dirty, I will go and clean it. If a product that I touch from makeup, it gets on another product, I clean that one off. Like I am that OCD and crazy about it, so it sort of relates, but sort of doesn't. I just wanted to include it in here, but I mean, this is a repurchase over and over and over. And the last product that I had finished this month is another bottle of deodorant. This is the Suave, the powder version. It's anti-staining, talc-free formula, and it's the Invisible Solid. This is my holy grail deodorant for as long as I can remember, probably over 10-15 years by now. I will not switch. I have tried several times to switch deodorants and try new brands, but nothing compares to this. This one holds all of, you know, the sweat, the feeling of possibly sweating under my arms. It does not bleed through. I don't have any sweat stains, pit stains, anything like that. I don't have any funky smells under my armpits. Like, it contains all of that. It lasts all day long, like 12 hours plus. I do apply this every single day after I shower. Like, it is, the odor and wetness protection is, I don't know about the 48-hour claim, but I know for a fact it does hold for 12 hours into the next day, that if you take another shower the next day or what have you. And I've already repurchased this in two separate 2-packs, which I talked about in my no-buy sort of update thing, 4-month update, which will be linked below. But yeah, just if y'all guys need a good, reliable deodorant, I will not stop recommending this one because this one is holy grail status. Like, and with everything I said, told y'all this is the shortest, this is the most wimpiest status empties ever, but I still wanted to record it just because I've been keeping up every single month, showing all what I've been using up every month, and I hope this is exciting to go through my trash and talk about it, because who else on the internet or who else in my life is going to enjoy it as much as everyone else enjoys this. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye, guys.